Hi, my name is Karen Martis, and I am the founder of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. I started Lash Blvd because I wanted to help empower women to become successful so they can support themselves, be independent, and get into an always growing industry. You see, not too long ago, I was a struggling single mother with two beautiful girls. And I wanted nothing more than to support my family and have the flexibility to spend time with them. My struggles pushed me to create success in my life. And I decided to open my first store in Westminster, Colorado in 2012. But I didn't stop there. After running a successful eyelash extensions business, I wanted to help other lash artists to do the same. So I created Lash Like a Pro online training course. On this training, I shared the top industry eyelash extension techniques with other women so that they could become masters of their craft and create a thriving lash business. That's when I realized a lot of the products on the market needed improvement. And I started to develop the highest quality eyelash extension supplies to help lash artists better their application. This journey has been so rewarding. I know that all the sweat and tears have been well worth it, especially when I get to see how our courses and products are impacting so many lash artists around the world. It is my mission to guide you to be the best you can be in this industry. And with Lash Blvd, you will always have a family that is here to help. So thank you for being part of our story, and I look forward to helping you succeed.